Hello, friends, welcome back to our channel. Warm greetings to you all. My dear children, our today's video is of maths topic fractions. So, in today's session, we are going to focus on three kind of fractions. Those are half, a quarter, and three quarters. So, with the various examples, we will learn about this kind of fractions. I hope you will find it very interesting and easy to learn. So let us begin. Ricky and Nikki were hungry. Mickey had one chocolate. He quickly made two pieces of the chocolate and gave it to them.
I got less of the chocolate. That's true. I really got the bigger piece.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's because I broke it in a hurry. I have another chocolate too. I'll divide it equally into two parts for you.
Yes, this time we have equal pieces.
Both of you got exactly half the chocolate. Thus, we can say when something is divided into two equal parts, each of the parts is a half of that thing. Hey Ricky, it's your turn to give me few examples of half fraction.
Okay, look at this. A whole guava, half a guava. A whole cake, half a cake.
Very good. Now Nikki, it's your time to give me some examples.
A whole apple, half an apple. A whole watermelon, half a watermelon.
That's good. So it means Nikki and Ricky, you both have understood half fraction. Now let us do one activity. See, here I have a large sheet of paper. You both have to draw a picture. So let's divide this sheet into two equal parts. Come, I'll do it. So this is full sheet of paper. Let us fold it in two equal parts first and then we will cut it. So here Ricky and Nikki both got half a sheet of paper. Now let us color a half of each of the pictures. That's good, Ricky. Now Nikki, it's your time. Look here. A line has been drawn in each of the figures. Now you have to put a tick mark under the figures which get divided into two equal parts by that line. So let's start. That's good. So when we are studying about half fraction, we have to keep in mind that anything which we have, we should divide it into two equal parts. Now let us move ahead with the next fraction, that is a quarter. Ricky, Nikki, Sonu and Tonu, come here all of you. I have a large sheet of kite paper. Each of you use it to make a kite for yourself.
It means that we will have to make 4 equal parts of that paper?
Yes, you are right, Ricky.
I'll make the 4 equal pieces.
Excellent. Each of these parts is a quarter of the big sheet of paper.
A quarter part? What does it mean, Nikki? Sonu and Tony, it means when something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the parts is a quarter of that thing. And thus we can say that this is a quarter fraction.
Now, Ricky and Nikki will give you some more examples. so that you will understand it. So let us start.
Look here. This is a whole cucumber. A quarter of a cucumber. A whole cake. A quarter of a cake.
Sonu and Tonu, let me explain you with the help of a paper sheet. See, this is a whole. Now, if we divide a half into half second, we get 2 quarters. We have seen already that when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, we get a quarter. If we put 2 quarters together, we get a half. Similarly, if we put 4 quarters together, we will get a whole.
That's simple.
Yes, children. Now, let's begin with the activity session. So, color a quarter part of each picture. Be quick. That's good. Now, Sonu and Tony, this is for you. You have to put a correct mark under the figure which is divided into equal parts. Good, Sonu and Tony. So you both have understood what is a quarter fraction. Let us move ahead with the last and third kind of fraction, that is 3 quarters. Now friends, look here. I have drawn lines in this picture so that it gets divided into 4 equal parts. Ricky, you tell me, what does it mean?
It means that each part will be known as a quarter.
Exactly. And Ricky, you tell me, how about the half fraction?
Mickey, 2 equal parts will become a half.
Very good. Now see here. 3 of these parts have been colored. In other words, 3 quarters of the paper has been colored. Thus we can say, if a whole is divided into 4 equal parts and we take 3 of them, the part that we have taken is called 3 quarters.
Mickey, let me give you some examples of 3 quarters now.
That's good, Tony. Start.
See, this is half a guava, a quarter of a guava, and a half and a quarter make 3 quarters.
Very good, Tony. Sonu, can you give me an example?
Of course. 3 quarters may also be called a 3/4 part of the whole. When we take away a quarter from a whole, what we have left is also 3 quarters.
That's good, my friends. So, let us start with the activity of 3 quarters. So here, 4 of you color 3 quarters of the pictures.
Let us summarize what we have learned today. Fractions. Half. When something is divided into 2 equal parts, each of the parts is a half of that thing. A quarter. When something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the parts is a quarter of that thing. 3 quarters. A half and a quarter make 3 quarters. When we take away a quarter from a whole, what we have left is also 3 quarters. Now, my dear friends, you can check your description box for your assignment. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe!